Clothes can sometimes smell burnt after drying, and there are several possible reasons for this issue. One reason is that the dryer may have accumulated air and lint in the lint trap, which can get into the heating element and cause a burnt odor. To fix this, the dryer should be powered down, unplugged, and the back panel removed, then vacuumed with a nozzle attachment to remove lint fragments. Another possible cause is that the drying time may be set too long, exposing clothes to excessive heat and resulting in a burnt smell. To correct this, a timer can be set for the drying cycle, or a moisture sensor can be used if the dryer has one, allowing clothes to be dried sufficiently without overheating. A worn or damaged unit belt can also be the culprit, as a loose, cracked, or dry belt can slip and rub against the hot heating element. To address this, the belt should be examined for signs of damage and ensured it is wrapped firmly around the drum, with a new one considered if necessary. By following these steps, the issue of burnt-smelling clothes after drying can be resolved.